Sneeze. Okay, Grandma and I were walking on our way to Machane Yehuda. I think it was our first trip to Israel. And I had a, I don't know, I had a sneeze. And I sneezed very loudly. And about 3 blocks away, somebody yelled, a fella yelled out, La Briut. That was the first time I heard that word before, and I figured it means good health or whatever. So that's the story of La Briut.
That's very funny.
Then why do you always say Lahitraot and not goodbye?
Well, Hitrot is in Hebrew.
Yeah, but
Remember, you always used to say, don't say goodbye, say Lahitraot.
Oh, yeah. Because it sounds less like goodbye. That's forever, it sounds like.
yeah.
Right?
Or just like, kind of see you later. See you in a while.
See you later, yeah. See you in a while.
What's your favorite Yiddish words?
Favorite Yiddish word? I would say nachas.
What is that?
It means good things.
Nah.
Like there's you and your 2 sisters give a lot of nachas to your parents.
Sounds like a bad word.
Like good.
Yeah, nachas, like.
Good.
Is a, yeah, pride.
Sounds like nah.
Yeah, it's
Yeah, like something like bad. It sounds bad.
no, it means good things.
It means good, it means pride.
It sounds like makes me
Yeah,
relax
like
and
pride.
relax.
I don't know what other word you could use.